Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about histology of the muscle. We will discuss skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscle. Now we are finding the skeletal muscle. So the important features, only two. Please remember only these two features. That is the peripheral nuclei and the striations. Here striations will be very clearly visible in the form of light and dark bands. Okay. Right. Next is smooth muscle. So in smooth muscle, we have the spindle shape, fusiform and uninucleate. So nucleus is at the center. In skeletal, I told you it is periphery. Here it is center. Okay, so the most important feature will be the ovally placed central nuclei. Let's go to cardiac muscle. So if we understand skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle, we'll just compare now. So in comparison with skeletal muscle, this is branched. Okay. It is also cylindrical and nucleus is at the center. There it was periphery in skeletal. Okay. And coming to the striations, it will be very fainter here compared to there. There in skeletal it is easily visible. Here in cardiac not very easily visible. Okay, but will be visible but very faint. And blood vessels also is an interesting feature we can see here. Okay, so this is regarding the three muscles. Right. References from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.